Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing another Pokemon opening. Today I'm going to be opening the Towering Splash box. And I just picked this up. It has the new card, the Tag Team card, Tag Team Rarity. It has 2 packs of Lost Thunder, Steam Siege, and Celestial Storm. So I'm going to open this, and I'm going to be the very best. And I'm going to open this. So I'm going to open this like this. Because I'm a scary beast. I almost hit the camera there, to be honest. So here we are. There's the 4 booster packs. They kind of just fell. You're going to stick this. These have these, like, tabs. These weird tabs. I want to do this right. I don't know how to do this. Or whatever. Here's the jumbo card. Can this just slide out? Oh, it does just slide out. Yes. Here's Big Daddy card. And here's the Big Daddy code. So you can claim that, because I wish I claimed it on the TCG, but I got. So we have Lost Thunder, we have Steam Siege, we have Celestial Storm, and more Lost Thunder. So 4 packs. Let's get right into this. My things are falling down. Yay, it opened this time. Dang it, it did not open. Yes, I opened it. Here is the code. You can take the codes because someone wanted the code. We have a Water Energy. Aether Foundation employee. Curla. Mantine, Houndor, Poiple. I needed this card. Larvitar, Parcherisu, Hippip, Jumpluff, and oh my god! No way! Oh, I got a full art trainer. Where are my sleeves? I need a sleeve. Oh yes! Oh my god, I got it. I got this card. I didn't even know it was in the set, to be honest. Oh my gosh. Yes. So, we got a full art trainer. So, I swear, if we get another GX or EX pull, oh yeah, sorry, code. How did that even happen? So I got Lightning Energy, Dene, Adventure Bag, Skip Bloom, Jigglypuff, Mareep, Alone Vulpix, Houndor, another Poiple, Yonmask, and an Umbreon. Nice, I actually like that Umbreon. I'm going to put it back there. So we got Super Siege. Some people say it's really bad. I think it's actually decent. If it can open, it would be halfway decent. It's not opening. There we go. Why do people think this set is so bad? It's got a white code. Unless it doesn't mean anything in this. Like, all the codes are white. We got a... Oh, come on, really? Well, we got a holo. Didn't even mean to do that. I messed that up. Oopsies. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. No. We got this. Oh, we got a holo. Yay! Oh, okay. Let's open up some Celestial Storm. Just because that never happened. Oh my god. Please, just cooperate. There you go. Oh, we got a white code. Yes. 2, 3, 4 to the front. Not really a secret anymore if we got a hollow or better. Pokénav, Vigoroth, Fisherman, Baggin, Shuppet, Mudkip, Lone Rattata, Slackoff, Orcorio, and a Heatran hollow. So we got, actually, that was like a really decent box. We got 2 hollows, an Umbreon, and a full art trainer. Like, seriously, I don't know what the prices of these are. Heatran, Hydreigon, and an Umbreon. And then a bunch of cards. Like, seriously. Halfway decent pulls. So that's going to end it for this video. I really like tacos. And I'll see you later. Bye.